Hello you pretty people. It's your super YouTube guy with another super how-to guide. Don't you hate it when you have to hang out with people, meet people, like people, talk to people or show interest in people? Don't worry, this video will help you out of this situation and it's easier than you think. In this video I will show you a few easy steps to lose all your friends and live your life as a lonely, pitiful and boring pimple of society. Unlike other guides for this topic, these methods are 100% legal, absolutely ethical and can be done beside your job. First of all, make sure that you have some friends or people to connect to. If that isn't the case, why are you even watching the video? You cannot lose a thing if you don't have it in the first place. Makes sense, doesn't it? After you establish the requirements, there's only one step, yes, one step to lose all your friends and to become another unimportant living creature walking on Earth. This one step changes one of the key components in socializing and will destroy it. Communication. Communication is the most important thing when it comes to stuff like establishing and keeping a relationship, maintaining a friendship, seeking and giving help, or fulfilling your desires. It is a major point in the definition of humanity. And that's where we start. The only thing you have to do to lose your friendships and relationships, not outright destroying them, it is a smooth process over time, is to just stop talking to people. That's it. It's not that hard. The only thing you have to mind though is that you slowly decrease your communication over time. If you do that from one day to the other, you could end up in some trouble and result in the need to communicate more. You don't want that, so act carefully and slowly. If you follow this one step, you will see over time that your social life will steadily subside, and after a certain amount of time you will reach your end goal. End goal? Do you really think we choose to become like that? No. You clicked on this video because your life is a miserable scrap heap and now you want to know how to deal with that crap. I tell you what to do. Go on Omegle and watch a 60-year-old man jerking off to everything which flares up his screen. So, ich hab keinen Bock mehr.